I want to believe that I'm not the only one that is frustrated about the noise online about vibe coding. Everyone right now seems to be vibe coding. YouTube seems to like vibe coding, and everybody online just seems to have a thing or two to say about vibe coding. As good and interesting as vibe coding is, what's most frustrating for me in this is how people make this look so super simple and easy. YouTube coaches tend to always flag before you the $20,000 app they created using this tool, the $50,000 app, the 10. Oh, as good as those things are, I really don't believe it's as simple as they make you look, because in reality, it's not that easy. Some months ago, I got to hear about this new tool called Ostinger Horizon, and as far as I'm concerned, it's just one of those other ones, but I have pretty heard good, awesome feedback about this tool. So today I just felt like I should try out this AI tool and I should see exactly what I can do with it. So I just thought that I could do that with you and I could share my experience with you. One thing I know about vibe coding is that before you can come out with a fantastic product, you would spend so much time and you may be spending so much money. And as usual, I went to go check out Horizon and I realized that they have a free tier, which is the first check for me. And that is the first check passed. And the second one is, what can I do with this tool at the free without paying a dime? And that's where I want to do this tutorial. I want to experiment with this if I'm able to build something really, really good using the free tier. So let's experiment together in this video and let's see what I'm able to build using the free tier of Ostinger Horizon. So without further ado, let me take you to my screen and let's experiment with this together. Horizon is at ostinger.com/Horizon. I can leave a link to that in the video description. Like I did told you earlier, I did my research on this and I realized that the free tier, but again, the free tier is a lot limited. Ostinger Horizon allows you to just send 5 messages, 5 prompts in the trial version. And I think that's quite limiting. 5? Then I want to believe that that prompt has to be very, very golden. This tool must be delivering what people are saying about it. So as usual, for anyone that wants to vibe code, my recommendation, I don't know if this is industry standard, but what I do is that I go to any AI tool like ChatGPT to just tell this tool what I'm thinking in my mind and let it come up with a better prompt, because I don't want to waste my money. I want to make sure I optimize every prompt. So as usual, I jump into ChatGPT. I did ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT is aware about Ostinger Horizon, and he said yes. So I went ahead to ask ChatGPT, what realistic web app can I build using this tool with just 5 prompts or even less? So make sure you go through Horizon to understand it better and then come out with something very, very useful. And then the idea for the apps were, the first one was to build an expense budget tracker. The second one was to build a to-do list, which is a task manager. And then the third one was to build a happy tracker. The fourth one was a contact directory. And the fifth one was a simple quiz app. Sincerely, I fell in love with the first idea, which is an expense or budget tracker. I just feel that would be a fantastic app if I can't track every of my expenses, something I can use for myself. And good thing, coming down here, that was the 5 prompt generated for me since it was the first idea. So right now I'll be copying and pasting this prompt for us to use. So back at Ostinger Horizon, so the first thing I'm just going to do here is to paste my initial prompt and then I can hit start for free. So the initial prompt says, create a simple personalized expense tracker web app. You should have a form to add expenses with field or amount, category and date. Display expenses in the table and show a pie chart summarizing total spending by category, which makes sense for a base prompt. So right now, let's hit start for free. Good. We can see that this app is already building something for us. Good thing I'm already signed in into my Ostinger account. In your case, if you're not, you might be asked to create an account on ostinger.com. Okay, so right now, let's fold our hands and let's watch this AI do its magic. Awesome. So we have our initial build here and this is looking super beautiful already. I think I like this. The second prompt, as it were, should be that you should make the design modern, mobile responsive with a clean dashboard style layout. But let's even see if this is responsive already. You can see this is already responsive. I'm not sure that there will be need to use that prompt. The second prompt says, make the second design modern, mobile responsive with a clean dashboard style layout. Use a sidebar for navigation and main panel for content, which is pretty awesome. Maybe we should just follow this, but first off, let's see this first. Let's say I have $1,000. Let's see if this is working. Let's have categories, and let's see for shopping, is my calendar working? Oh, fantastic, it is. Let's do this. Let's add expenses. Okay, so you can see that total expenses. So let's do another one. Let's say $20. Let's say for travel, $20 is crazy for travel. Let's say for food and dining, maybe this happened earlier ago on the night. Let's add these expenses so you can see that. Oh, you can see this is super good. So this way I can track all my expenses, and I think this app is super amazing already. Let's try to add something more. Let's do $500, and let's put a category to this. This would be for healthcare, and let's see if this can work for maybe next month, September. Let's come 10th. Let's add the expenses. Okay, good. You can see this. But again, I want to just follow ChatGPT. So let me paste the second prompt here. However, I might want to maybe add a little to the prompt, or I might want to refine this a little more. Make the design model mobile responsive with a clean dashboard style layout. Maybe I should just say dashboard bento style. I want to see if this is able to implement maybe a bento style layout. Use the sidebar for navigation and a main panel for content. Maybe what I can still do to this is that I can sort of add the third prompt to this, because the third prompt here says add a filter above the expenses table so that people can filter this by category or by date range. Maybe I should just copy out the third prompt. Let's add this to this. Let's collapse the second and the third prompt together. Let's see if this would work, and let's add this to it. So right now, let's wait. I think I'm super excited about what I'm able to build using this. So let's see what I can do with this. Good. All right, so this is done here. However, I'm seeing here it says that something went wrong from my hand. This didn't cost you a message. You can try again. But I don't know what's wrong there, but I can already see a dashboard here, and I can see this more like a bento style here. So I can now filter this now down by category. I can filter this down by month, start date, end date. I can reset this. Oh, this is fantastic. What do we have under settings? Future not implemented. I wasn't expecting to see this here, but again, okay, I have this. You can see this. All right. Let's still just check to see that this is working. Let me do $100 here. Category shopping. Date. Let's say it's today. Let's add these expenses. So this is still working, and then I can break this down here. Okay, I think this is awesome. By default, you can see that hovering on the chart here, we can see what we've been able to do here. This is super awesome, and I think that should be what we should have in the next prompt. The next prompt should include the total balance card at the top that shows total income minus expenses. That's exactly where I'm supposed to go, because I think I should have a place where I can put in maybe monthly income, and then I can track what I spend my money on, and that would make sense, right? So maybe that's the only thing I'm going to prompt this guy to do next. And then the fifth prompt says that we should improve the color palette. I think I like the color palette. I'm going to leave it the way it is. Super awesome, super beautiful stuff being done here. We can also open this in a new tab if we really want to have a full preview of what we've designed so far. Oh, look at that. That's super, super good. So I think finally let's give this last prompt, and then it will be include total balance card at the top that shows total income minus total expenses. So I've been able to update this. So now I'm saying I want every futures on the app to work. The notification should let me know when I'm spending beyond my goal. I also want to be able to set expenses goal for every month. That can be under settings and maybe any other relevant futures. And any other relevant futures or settings for my profile. I want to be able to sign in and sign out. You can create a login credential for this. So let's prompt this and let's see if this is able to make adjustment to this. So this will be my final prompt, and I hope at the end of this I would have a super fun app that is able to track and manage my expenses. And I think this is super, super good. So let's wait. Let's see what this app is able to come up with. All done. Super amazing. So you can see that from here. So you can see this is my user and this is my password. I think I like this already. Oh, let's sign in. Let's see what's inside. So let's close this. So I have total balance, I have income, and then I have total spent, and I have my transactions here. Add expenses, add income, and then I have the chart here. And let's come to settings here. Oh, there's an error here. All right, let's ask Horizon to fix this. Super done already. Okay, we are back. Good. So now let's go back to settings here. Let's see this. Oh, my monthly spending goal is here. I feel like dancing. This is good. Okay. So let me set a goal to $5,000 a month and let's save this. Oh, this is saved. Fantastic. Now let's come to my dashboard. Oh, good, 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 good. My expenses, let me do a $4,500 expense. Let's say this is for travel. For this date, let me add this expense. All right. I want to see if I will have my notification bopping here once I'm close to my goal. But just clicking on it, it says that future not even implemented. So that's probably not working. It might be something I might have to take out, or maybe I might have to reprompt it. But I didn't even set my income here. Let's say I have income of $7,000 here. I don't need a category for my income. Okay, that's not bad. I can say it's my salary, and then I can add this income. All right, so you can say I have the income right now, and this has been added, which is super, super good. 2 transactions has happened to me, and fantastic. Let's see if we can. All right, you can see profile login. I can log out. Oh, this is good. Thus, you can see I don't have a profile here, and then the billing also isn't implemented here. And I think so far this is fantastic. This is a good, good, good stuff. I don't want to vlog this video more than this, but this is pretty much a fantastic thing to build. So right now I can come to the edit content and I can begin to edit things. Oh, I think this is a fantastic feature. So I can come here and instead of dashboard, I might just want to change this to my dashboard. Right? And then I can save this. Let's see if that is implementing. Oh, that is going through the code again. Okay. All right. That works. So I probably can't change anything here, but it would be lovely to be able to probably change colors and do some other things here instead of just having to do a prompt for that. If I were to want to take this as a very serious project, then possibly I would have to maybe integrate this with a database, and then I will be able to make this available for people to create an account here, maybe literally for free for them to be able to use it. And then I'll start thinking of add-ons that I can integrate this with that would help people maybe track their income and expenses, and then I can begin to looking into monetizing this. So this is a fantastic thing to be able to build, really. And then I can come here to the code for me to be able to check out the code of the website. So you can see this. Fantastic, super awesome. And then I can also come back to the preview here. I like this. So from here I can switch to full screen from inside here, and then I can just open this up in a new tab, and then I can check the mobile responsiveness just like this. So let's exit this, and then this is where we have integrations. If we click into this, you can see that I can just deploy, I can integrate this to Supabase for me to be able to entertain more sign up, login, data storage. Typical, I did ask ChatGPT if these were things I could do in the free tier. I doubt if I'll be able to do that in the free, if I'll be able to integrate this to Supabase, and then I can have this super working that anyone can create an account here and then they can use this tool. So that's why I'm not experimenting with that at the free. And I can integrate this to an online store to manage product, order, payment, and more with a built-in admin panel, no prompting needed. Wow, that's super awesome thing to do. I'm tempted to trying that out right now, but again, I don't want to do that in this tutorial. So let's close this for now, and then we can also publish this. All right, publish successfully. So you can see I have this URL here, and the beauty about this is I can connect my own domain. Right now I'm okay with the free version, so let's view our site. So as you can see that I just built a working app, literally. Look at that, super awesome. I love the way it was able to play around with colors here. I love everything it was able to do here. So let's check out the pricing. Let's see exactly what it costs to use this tool. Sincerely, this is my first time coming here. Sincerely, I'm not kidding you. For starters, which is getting 70 messages per month, that's like $13 per month. That's good. If I'm able to use 5 messages and I've been able to build an app like this, then I should be able to build a working app with 70 messages. If this is exactly how this works. And for me, spending $14 to build myself a working app is a fantastic value for money. And for hobbyists, this, which is 200 messages per month, is ideal for freelancers and creators to turn their ideas into side hustles. That is costing $40 a month. And then for hustlers, 400 messages a month, that's costing $80 per month. And then every plan has everything you need and more. Online store integration. I'm pretty much interested in this. Sincerely, I really want to know what the online integration would look like. Would that be Hostinger Page Builder integrated here? Something tells me that would be exactly what it is. I don't know. Then I can accept payment, text editing, SEO, optimized project, get found by AI tools. I get hosting for 1 year, free domain. Oh, the plans have free domain. That's good. 5 mailboxes, daily backups, 50 projects, Supabase integration, auto error fixer, code editor. Oh, this is good. And people are really do saying nice things about Hostinger Horizon. So if you really do want to vibe code, you want to build app, and you're really looking at something that would work outrightly for you without headache, this is my first try, and so far it's been pretty much working for me. I am going to invest in this to experiment more with this, and then I'm going to get back to let you know if this really is worth every penny invested. But something tells me it is. I had a nice time building this app here. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you think Hostinger Horizon is a fantastic AI tool? Have you experimented with it before? Do you want to share feedback with us? I really would love to hear feedback around Hostinger AI. Maybe it is worth all the buzz or the noise online. I'll keep experimenting with this tool, and I would always share feedback here on this YouTube channel. If you find this video interesting, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to this channel to see more awesome tutorials like this from us. I would see you in another one. I remain Dabs. Keep building, keep winning. All the best.